Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the sound effects on the Master Legends application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channels, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. Click to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen. And in the general section you can find the second option, the sounds, and if you want to turn off, just click to the next white circle and on. So that's pretty much it for this video guys, see you in the next one, bye bye.